Friends, welcome back to my channel. So how do you solve this question? This is an MIT Integration B question of 2024 season. So please subscribe for more. So let's solve this integral. So this integral can start off by rewriting the denominator times 3 divided by x e to the x squared. The denominator can also be written like this. Then I'm going to do a u sub here. I can let u to be equal to x e to the x, that is this one here, and I'm going to differentiate du. The x is going to be, I'm going to use the product rule. So x e to the x, that is keeping x constant and differentiating e to the x, plus keeping e to the x constant and differentiating x. So this is what I have, and then du is going to be x e to the x plus e to the x dx, like this. Okay, so what about the changing limit? When x is equals to 1, u is going to be equal to 1 e to the 1, and that is going to be e. When x is equals to infinity, u is going to be infinity times e to the power infinity, and that is equal to infinity, right? So we can take our integral from the x world into the u world. So now we have the integral from e to infinity of the whole of this one is du, that is from here. So that is du over this is u, so that is u squared minus 1. So our integral is now integral from e to infinity of 1 over u squared minus 1 du. And the denominator is difference of two squares, that is the integral from e to infinity of 1 over u minus 1 times u plus 1 du. And this one, using partial fractions, we can easily split this into 1/2 the integral from e to infinity of 1 all over u minus 1 over u plus 1, all this du. That is how this one can be split using partial fractions. See that you can do that here real quick. 1 minus u minus 1 over 1 over u plus 1. That is u squared. This is u plus 1 minus u minus 1. And that is equal to 2 over u squared minus 1. So in order to cancel these two, we have to divide by half, which is what we have here. So our task now is to integrate this. That is 1/2 the integral from e to infinity of 1 over u minus 1 du minus the integral from e to infinity of 1 over u plus 1 du. Okay, cool. So this is 1/2 the integral. So integrating this is really the natural logarithm of u minus 1 minus integrating this is the natural logarithm of u plus 1. This is very easy, and you are integrating that from e to infinity. So that is equal to 1/2. This is the natural logarithm of u minus 1 over u plus 1. Using the laws of logarithm, then we are going to integrate from e to infinity. We can plug in our limits now. So 1/2. So this one I'm going to use limit as, let's say, u approaches infinity of the natural logarithm of u minus 1 over u plus 1 minus you plug in your lower limit, that is the ln of e minus 1 over e plus 1, like this. So as u is approaching infinity, u minus 1 over u plus 1, this one is going to be approaching 1, and ln of 1 is 0. So the upper limit is going to be approaching 0. So that will be 0 minus ln of e minus 1 over e plus 1, like this. And then we have negative half the ln of e minus 1 over e plus 1. And you can use the laws of logarithm. The negative one can become a power e minus 1 over e plus 1. And just switching the fractions will nullify the negative e plus 1 over e minus 1. So this is the value of our integral. So in that case, if we are integrating our function up there, this should be the answer to our integral. So if we integrate this function, we are going to get our answer down there. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content like this. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.